Do you feel like something is holding you back from reaching your full potential and you don't know what it is? What are you saying to yourself? What's stopping you from reaching your goals and dreams? I know how you feel. I know how you think because I'm there, right there with you. And yesterday we had a mindset call in the community that made me reflect on who I am, the business that I am in, and how I can help others and myself at the same time. And if I hadn't purchased that program, I wouldn't have had access to this call. That's why I love this program. It's helping me reach my goals and dreams, teaching me how to change my mindset and the change within myself, my thoughts, my words, my actions. So what's holding you back from reaching your goals and dreams? Let me know in the comments.